Hello friends, in this video, we will see force application on selected nodes. Create beam geometry. Check the process. Create beam cross-section. Provide dimensions. End sketch. Provide beam length. Beam geometry is created. Open ANSYS Mechanical. Select face and constraint all degrees of freedom. Provide element size by selecting beam body. Generate mesh. Select nodes. You can see selected nodes count. Create named selection for these nodes. Next, we will apply force on these nodes. Change scoping method. This will not work for vector, therefore we will apply force value in x, y, or z components. Solve this physics setup. Check deformation and stress. You can select different nodal set for force application. Solve this new setup. Check updated results. Thank you for watching tutorial.